Welcome to Gateway Education. Spread across a sprawling 25-acre lush green campus, nestled in the vibrant city of Sonipat, just 20-minute drive from Delhi, Gateway offers a serene and focused learning environment, setting the stage for academic excellence and personal growth. At the heart of our pharmacy program, the Bachelor of Pharmacy course, students embark on a journey of discovery with hands-on experience in our specialized labs, pharmaceutics, pharmacology, pharmaceutical chemistry and more. They gain critical skills essential for modern healthcare.
With practical labs and guidance from experienced faculty, I feel fully prepared for a career in pharmacy.
Gateway's pharmacy course is affiliated with the Pharmacy Council of India and Pandit Bhagwat Dayal Sharma University of Health Sciences, ensuring a curriculum that meets the highest academic and industry standards.
Our vision is to empower students with a well-rounded education and comprehensive knowledge about pharmaceutical sciences so that we can prepare them for dynamic careers in pharmaceutical sciences. Through practical training and professional development, we nurture the pharmacists for tomorrow.
We believe in bridging the gap between academics and industry. With valuable partnerships like SPL, Adzilla Organic Private Limited and Tulip Hospital, students benefit from industrial visits, guest lectures and internships that provide real-world insights and experiences. Our library is a rich resource equipped with the latest pharmacopoeias, scientific volumes and a comprehensive subscription to current journals, enabling students to stay at the forefront of knowledge. We support students' educational journey by offering a free book bank where semester books are provided at no additional cost, ensuring equal access to resources. To help students stay inspired and career ready, Gateway offers regular motivation classes and personalized career mentorship sessions. Beyond academics, Gateway emphasizes holistic development. Personality development classes are designed to build communication skills, confidence, and leadership.
The personal development session have helped me to improve my communication skill and boosted my confidence.
For those with entrepreneurial dreams, our incubation and startup facility provides mentorship, moral support, and financial assistance, helping students transform innovative ideas into impactful ventures. At Gateway, we believe that a healthy mind needs a healthy body. From a well-equipped gym and swimming pool to diverse sport facilities, students have every opportunity to unwind and stay active.
At Gateway Education, the effort is to provide gateway to students for the global opportunities. Human beings are not designed to memorize facts or writing the examinations, while they are designed to do actions. And that is what is focused at the Gateway Education. The effort is to create the experienced professionals while they are in the institution. This is achieved by bringing the industry into the classrooms so that once the students pass out from here, they become industry ready.
Our campus offers comfortable hostel accommodations and the mess that provides nutritious meals, creating a supportive and a home-like environment for our students. To ensure convenience, lockers are provided for students to safely store their personal belongings while on campus. Our campus is alive with a vibrant culture. Students connect through various clubs, whether in academics, sports, or the arts. Annual highlights include the excursion tour, a 4 to 5 day adventure, and campus-wide events like Freshers Party, Annual Fest, and a farewell celebration fostering camaraderie and lifelong memories. With thoughtful amenities like campus shuttles, we make sure our students can focus on learning, knowing that convenience is always a priority. Join us at the Gateway Education and embark on a journey that goes beyond textbooks, shaping your future in the world of pharmacy.